Hi everyone, it's me. I'm back again to do a review of this fabulous headpiece. You like? Okay, so as most of you know, I live in LA, right? And it's hard to get a House of Harlow headpiece, especially if you're trying to pay $160, which I'm not, because it's $160 and that's expensive for a headpiece. So I'm bringing you guys these headpieces, and if you want to know more about this headpiece and more of my headpieces and other videos right there, just go ahead and click on my Etsy account right below you, and you see lots of fabulous headpieces. So this one I have is called the Goddess headpiece. It has the rhinestones on here, like the crystals, and what I'm wearing with this, I'll stand up so you see, I'm wearing a maxi dress. So I'm wearing a turquoise maxi dress. So this is what the maxi dress looks like. And the good thing about wearing it over a maxi dress, I have a maxi dress this maxi dress has like the braids on here. So it gives it that goddess look. So that's why I named this the Goddess headpiece. Now this is the gold one. As you all know, it's adjustable like a necklace at the back. I'll turn around and show. That's what it looks like. And this is the gold one. For most of you who don't like gold, and if you're a silver fanatic, well, I have a silver one for you. You ready? Here it goes. This is what it looks like. It fits her head perfectly. Isn't she gorgeous? So this is what it looks like at the back. So it's adjustable like a necklace, and the center piece just falls in the middle where you could adjust it too. Now the great thing about this, since it's the start of summer, you can wear this over a maxi dress at a shower, at a wedding, if you're really bold. Or you can wear this on a day, like on a Sunday at a flea market. You can wear this to an event, to anything, you know. And what works best with this is a maxi dress. And what works best with it, accessory-wise, is a stud. As you can see, I have a stud, just so that this is the main focus of my jewelry going on. So it doesn't cover too much of, so my earrings don't, if you have hoops, try to steer away from that, because then it becomes too much. But yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment, email me, ask me a question, and also, best of all, feel free to share this with your friends and let them know about this headpiece. Hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I hope you guys are going to have a great summer coming up. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.